Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Lexus RX450H, then you are going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this very easy install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by locating the towing adapter for the converter box inside the back of the Lexus. Let's go ahead and open our cargo area and begin there. We're going to need to remove this cargo tray in order to access the tow harness behind this trim panel. You will need to remove one retainer clip. Unlike other clips, this one we push down to unlock it. Remove this battery cover by removing 3 more push pins. We can now remove the rear scuff panel by gently pulling up. In order to gain access behind the trim, we can remove this tow hook. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the cover, and then a 10mm socket to remove the bolt. Gently remove this plastic trim. Now remove 2 fasteners with your trim panel tool. We have located our towing adapter and discovered that we do not need this part. If you do need to connect this part, this is how you will do it. Reinstall your 2 push pins for your carpeted trim. You can reinstall your plastic trim on the side. Reinstall the cargo hook. Replace the cargo tray. Now reinstall your scuff panel. Reinstall the battery cover. We are now ready to install the second portion of our wire harness, the 4-flat connector end. It's going to connect to another adapter that Lexus has put underneath the bumper back here. Let's go ahead and show you how we make this connection. In order to access the adapter where this goes, we're going to reach inside this hole in the underbody panel, find the dummy end that is just like this, and depress the tab and remove it so we can connect the harness. Now connect your electrical connector. We can now pass the 4-flat connection end over this underbody panel to near the hitch, and we're going to mount it here on a bracket. We're now ready to mount our 4-flat wiring bracket to the bumper fascia. If you do not have one of these, you can pick it up online at uhaulhitches.com. As well, you can pick one up at your local U-Haul Hitch Center. Now, using the bracket as a template, we can mark out the 2 holes using a 3/16 drill bit. We are going to use 2 rivets and rivet it down. Now pass your 4-flat connector through the bracket. We're now going to secure the excess wiring inside the bumper with the provided zip ties. Our wire harness does include a 10-amp fuse in case you need it for the tow package. Let's go ahead and show you where that fuse is located under the hood. Depress this tab and lift your fuse panel lid. This here is the tow fuse. Lexus has already provided a 30-amp max fuse. However, if you do need to insert the fuse, a 10-amp has been provided because you will not need more than 10 amps of electricity for the converter box you installed. That concludes trailer wiring on your Lexus RX450H. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to practice safe trailering. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.